Why is transgender rights history important now? Imagine living in a world where your identity is misunderstood or ignored. Now think about how history shapes whether that world changes or stays the same. The story of transgender rights stretches back over 60 years. Early protests like the Cooper Donuts riot in 1959 and the Compton's Cafeteria riot in 1966 showed transgender people fighting police harassment. These events happened before the famous Stonewall riots in 1969, which are often seen as the start of modern LGBTQ+ activism. Knowing these moments helps us see that transgender people have been fighting for justice for a long time, often risking their safety to be seen and heard. Legal progress has been made over the decades, too. In 1975, Minneapolis passed the first law banning discrimination based on gender identity. These laws are important because they protect transgender people from unfair treatment at work, in housing, and in public spaces. The 14th Amendment of the United States Constitution, which guarantees equal protection and due process, has been used in court cases to support these rights. But it has taken years of legal battles to get to where we are today, and there are still many fights ahead. In recent years, more transgender people are visible in politics, media, and communities. Organizations now work to support and advocate for transgender rights, helping people access health care and legal recognition. Yet, resistance remains. Some lawmakers try to pass laws that restrict access to gender-affirming health care or prevent transgender students from using bathrooms that match their gender identity. Knowing this history helps us understand why these issues are still so contested and why community support is vital. Understanding the history of transgender rights also helps us see how far we have come. It reminds us that change is possible when people stand together. It shows that advocacy and activism have played a big role in gaining legal protections and social acceptance. This knowledge fuels ongoing efforts to educate others and push for new laws that protect everyone's rights. By knowing the past, we can better understand the challenges transgender people face today. It helps us see that their fight for equality is part of a larger movement for human rights and social justice. Recognizing this history encourages us to support policies and communities that promote fairness and inclusion. It's a reminder that progress is built on the stories of those who fought before us, and that continuing that fight is essential for a fairer future.